Hey y'all, it's Courtney from Yellow Daisy. Welcome to our channel. I'm here at Mom's house right now and we are surprising her with a huge 50th birthday trip. We're going to the Biltmore Estates in Asheville, North Carolina, and we are so excited. I am going to pack her bags and show up tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock and tell her to get in the car. We're having the GPS already set up, ready to go. And we're just driving there and she will have no idea where she's going and she'll find out when she arrives. We are so excited and I just want to take you on this journey of packing her bags, packing the car, and setting up the room for her when we get there, and then her surprise when we wake her up tomorrow morning. Alright, so here's a look into Mom's closet. Actually has it pretty organized for not knowing that I'm coming over, so that's pretty impressive. So I'm just gonna look through here, see what kind of stuff she's got, and just figure it out from here. So my plan is to pack a whole bunch of different outfits for her. It may be a little bit excessive, but I don't want her to feel uncomfortable, and I'm not sure what fits her and what doesn't, so I just want to be sure that she's comfortable the whole weekend. So I'm going to bring a bunch of stuff for her to interchange here and there. So Mom has this really cute little jewelry box, and I actually have one too, and we love it. Keeps everything super organized. And I really like hers because she has the mirror. That way you can put on something and hold it up to what you're wearing and see what it would look like. So I am going to look at the clothes that I have and then pick the jewelry that we want for it. So I think I have everything ready to go. So here's a little jacket that we're just bringing just so that she has something to throw on over top of her clothes in case she gets cold. We'll bring her big jacket too because it's supposed to be about 30 degrees, so we want her to be warm, obviously. A little scarf shawl thing that'll be perfect again if it's cold. Turtleneck shirt. It's really cute. It's got a little shirt already built into it. And then we've got her vest with this. Then I also found this while I was back in there, and I thought this would be really cute underneath this too, or even underneath the green, so I just brought it. And then this dress, this jewelry. I think that this honestly just needs earrings and a bracelet, so that's all I'm bringing. And then here is her little striped shirt outfit, which is super cute, and then this really cute fun dress. We've got these shoes, and then the black shoes. So now what I do is, now that I have all my outfits together, I fold them actually as close to what they should be as possible. So I have these two together. A lot of times I will fold this as it is. But since I'm bringing that other one, I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to fold it, make little piles. I really like all of my stuff to stay in their spots. That way I know where everything belongs. And I know what shirt goes with what everything is, that kind of stuff. When I am gone for my work trips, I'm usually gone for an extended amount of time, so I like to set up all my clothes each pile. And then my jewelry, I'll do like this too, where I don't know if you can see it, but it is in piles for the day, for the outfit. Since we videoed it, we'll have the picture, so usually I'll take pictures of all the outfits too, so I know what jewelry I picked with what outfit. Just makes it so much easier once I get there. It's a no-brainer when I wake up in the morning. And I actually lay out all my clothes for the week. I put them out on all the hangers, and I hang my jewelry, my underwear, my undershirts, everything gets hung on those hangers. That way in the morning when I wake up, I'm usually needing to go quick. So I'll run in make a dress, get my hanger out, and it'll have everything for the day on there. So that is really helpful, and I love that tip. So hopefully I've got everything packed, and I am so excited about tomorrow. I can't wait to see her face. See you guys in the morning. Hey guys, so we are almost at Mom and Dad's house right now to surprise Mom. I am going to record the entire thing, so you'll be able to see it all.
Our family, that's four, are going on a little road trip.
Where are we going?
Well, you'll find out when you get there, won't you? So you need to get up. Yeah. Why do you think they're here this early? We got to be on the road by 7.
Your bags are already packed. What?
Your bag.
You have an outfit for today.
Already packed. We're just getting ready to roll.
We're throwing it all in your car and we're going.
So you just got to get your makeup together, and then whatever you want to bring as far as like whatever your bags are. You had like a bunch of small bags for like shampoo and stuff, and I didn't know which one you wanted to use. So I was going to leave that up to you, but your clothes are already packed, your shoes are already packed.
Show that. You were going to get bit.
We're gone until Monday. Dad called.
Your boss already knows you're off work Monday.
What?
Yeah. So, Dad already told us. Little road trip.
What are y'all doing?
You're on a road trip for your 50th. What do you think we're doing? It's your 50th.
You can kick. You can kick now.
You can kick.
Really? Yeah.
Come on.
Mom, where are we going?
Biltmore State.
Look at these little cottages. What is this little town? That's Ruth Chris. Is it really?
Look at the Hardys right here in the right. What in the world?
You have arrived at your destination on the left.
I'm looking at it.
Oh, it's here. It's right there.
There, get that one. Look at that. It's like which ones?
Get it?
Sign right there. Biltmore paint. See it from there? Is that clean away?
You excited?
Don't cry, Bubba.
Oh, you can get it on this side.
This is way better than the park.
I know, it's like shiny. Yeah, right?
Look at it.
Yay!
Oh, it's beautiful.
Oh, look at this. Looks awesome, guys.
Isn't it pretty in here?
Oh, it smells wonderful.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Beautiful.
All right, we're gonna do a toast
Okay.
and have Dr. lunch dinner and have some cake.
Reverse dinner.
Reverse dinner.
That's amazing.
Isn't
Where
it
did that
beautiful?
come from?
Here. Isn't it beautiful?
It's beautiful. Look up
I like those glasses.
So
I don't know. Fancy.
Like those napkins and party blowers.
Where do you get the tape?
Let's look at let's look outside.
Oh, we do got a little bit of a city.
Oh, it's so pretty.
it's gorgeous.
And the mountains up there with snow on them.
Yep.
Very nice.
Oh yeah, the snow is beautiful.
Where we go? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Thank you. Hey guys, we're here
Hi.
at the wine shop at the Biltmore, and it is adorable. Look at all the stuff. So cute. Here are a few highlights from our weekend. The Biltmore estate is absolutely beautiful. What an experience. We decided last minute to go see a 90s cover band, and I am so glad that we did because it was so much fun. Overall, my mom's 50th birthday was a success. I'm so glad we were able to surprise her. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.